Did you know that everything around us is like with mathematics? Especially in nature, concepts of mathematics are naturally present.
Fractals are never-ending or infinitely complex patterns. Take a look at the succulent. Each represents fractals evident from its patterns.
Examples of fractals in nature are snowflakes, trees, and clouds. Trees are natural fractals pattern that repeat smaller and smaller copies of themselves. Each tree branch from trunk to the tips is a copy of the one that came before it.
The father of fractals is none other than Benoit Mandelbrot.
Another pattern is the Fibonacci sequence, or series in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. Take a look at these themes. The Fibonacci sequence is evident because the quantity of stems increases depending on the number of the lower stems. For example, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, and so on.
Golden ratio. Golden ratio has a special numbers equivalent to 1.618, and it is present both in art and in nature. The Great Wave Wood Black print by Hakusai embodies the golden spiral. Our ear has a natural pattern, showing the golden spiral.
Golden ratio also present in animals. Look at this cat sitting. It has a shape of golden spiral.
So that's it, guys. I hope that you have learned many things today. We just want to say that there is mathematics everywhere. We could just think deeper. We are able to see and appreciate mathematics in our modern world. Thank you and continue learning.